Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, y'all. Hey, so today y'all, we are coming to y'all with a challenge. So this challenge is called a what, y'all? The Hot Mess Chicken Sandwich. Yes, the Hot Mess Chicken Sandwich Challenge by Daym Drops, y'all. This is a fairly new channel. I think he just released it yesterday, and we are here doing it today. Is it Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday. So today's Tuesday, y'all, and we are getting ready to do this challenge for y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here you go. And then they got some peach strawberry shakes. Y'all can go ahead and try y'all strawberry shakes. Y'all put y'all straws in there and try them. And then, so y'all, I grabbed 2 spicy chicken sandwiches from Chic-fil-A, and I got 2 regular for the girls from Chick-fil-A. And basically, like, the challenge is you have to get your chicken sandwich, slide it off them bunions, slide it up in here. What it taste like?
Good.
Mmm.
It just tastes like a little bit of it tastes like a lot of chicken and like a peach. The peach chunk.
Okay, we got peach chunks in it. Okay, good. So you're gonna put your chicken sandwich patty in here, and we're gonna put one of every sauce in here and shake it up. Okay?
Shake it.
Yep. And sing our hot mess chicken sandwich song. So they got peach milkshakes, and I got the lemonade from Chick-fil-A. Fun fact, y'all, I've never had Chick-fil-A. So this is my first time.
And our first time.
Yeah. So I didn't. Okay. So
I got
yeah.
it a peach chunk.
You got a peach chunk. So yeah, like y'all, we never had Chick-fil-A, y'all. So this is our first time, man. We definitely entering it the proper way, I see. So here you go, your chicken sandwich. Here is your chicken sandwich.
Oh, I and thought this was nail.
You think everything's nail? We got an A in it. And then this is an extra one I grabbed. I don't know, like, if the daddy's gonna want one or not. But all right, y'all. So we getting ready to go ahead and get into it, y'all. So, y'all ready?
Yes.
We can go ahead and y'all want to drop this tray?
Yeah.
Let's drop the tray. It's cool if you want to drop the tray, cause the tray is like in their way. Even though the sauce will be gone in a minute. All right, so let's start by putting our chicken patties, taking it off. We can set the bun to the side. And this just come with, actually don't come with nothing on it, and it come with the 2 pickles. We're going to leave those pickles right there. All right. Drop them on in there. I got the spicy, they got the mild. Drop them on up in there, okay? All right, so first we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and, we're going to do zesty buffalo first. Hold on, wait. What we going to do first? Let's do the barbecue first. We're going to go ahead and put the barbecue on our sandwich.
Barbecue.
I know, I was going to open them up for y'all because I'm faster. I didn't want this to take too long. Opening up 1,000 of these things. Here's Chanel. And this is Chanel, and this is Chanel, by the way. I know they always introduce
5, 6.
5 and 6. Yep. Y'all be 6 and 7 really, really soon. Y'all can go ahead and pour y'all's in there. Just dump it all up in there. Drop it on off up in there. Okay.
Got a garbage.
Nope. We do got a Chick-fil-A bag right there. We're gonna drop that in that Chick-fil-A bag. Drop that on off up in there, y'all. Yes. Drop it off. Drop it. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I just feel like it's gonna be good. I feel like it's gonna be good, Daym. So another fun fact, y'all. While we doing this, okay, y'all, we got the honey mustard next. And you just did it like, and then just make sure you put Chanel's in there too. Good man. So another fun fact, y'all, is Daym Drops is actually from Connecticut, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, he's from Connecticut. And I'm gonna keep this one because it's messy. I actually used to live in Connecticut. Yay! I used to live in Connecticut. I used to live in Norwalk, Connecticut. And y'all, okay, y'all ready to drop this off in there?
Yes.
Drop, go.
Ooh.
Okay. Alrighty.
Oh, man.
So y'all dumping that. I'm on to the next one.
Can you on to? Knocking. No, I got it.
Chanel, you done?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm reading napkins, somebody.
Okay, hold on. Alright, y'all. We moving, y'all. He got us. I opened one. You should open up mine for me. Appreciate that. Alright, y'all. So, I hope my nails ain't dirty. Ranch.
Alright.
Ooh, we is definitely. Why do I keep trying to scoot up and just can't scoot up?
This one is gloppy.
Yeah. I like how this one in there. Nice and loose. One thick and gave you no problems. Okay, so what else was the other one? Let's do the Chick-fil-A sauce.
No, I need to throw mine away.
No, I didn't grab that.
I throw it away. Chick-fil-A. This one.
Yep.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Yeah. So anyway, as I wait on them, I did live in Connecticut for quite some time, and like I said, I lived in Norwalk, Connecticut, and I actually lived in Rutner Court. So I don't know if Daym know about Rutner Court. We ready? Okay, I'm about to squeeze that one in there a little bit or shake it. So I lived in Rutner Court, 261 Ely Ave. To be exact. I can't believe I still remember that address. But I was born and raised here in Cincinnati, Ohio, though. But I did go and do some years up there, and I need all that Chick-fil-A sauce now.
It's not coming out.
Might use your finger a little bit. Help him out. Help him out, girl. Help him out.
Oh, come on.
I hate them.
This is what it looks like so far.
Okay, girl. Thanks for the...
Go away.
Go away, please.
This is what mine looks like so far.
I can barely see yours. Yours getting on the side of the bag. But it's okay, because we're going to shake it up.
Okay. Now, here we go.
Chanel already got one.
Yeah.
Thank you. These things, y'all.
While we waiting for mommy,
I'm ready.
we put all the sauces.
You ready?
Yes.
Oh, shoot. I almost missed the mark. Missed the mark. That look good, don't it? Ooh.
Yeah. It looks really good. Every time it fell.
Got a little drip. Oh, that's a Polynesian.
There, yeah. The Polynesian.
Yeah.
Jalapeno. That's what it looks like. Done.
This is the zesty buffalo going in now, y'all.
I need zesty buffalo.
Need another paper towel napkin.
Why is it so oily?
It's runny. Daym said it's runny, y'all. He said it's real loose, so be careful. Don't tilt it until you got it over that bag. Okay, y'all ready?
This is like some hot sauce.
Yep, like hot sauce. Ooh.
Oh! It tastes like that.
Yes, it does.
Oh, it smells like it.
Yeah, that zesty buffalo is definitely like some red hot and butter.
Oh.
Alrighty, and then a sweet and spicy sriracha. Don't give it to her because I want to open it up for her.
Is this yours, Leo?
No, that's yours.
Try to open yours up.
No, I'm opening up yours. I'm a lot faster. I appreciate it though. Gotta love them babies, y'all. They always trying to help out. Okay, y'all. Sweet and spicy sriracha. Let's go.
Ew. It looks like baby food.
Yeah, I don't like no baby food.
Like red baby food.
It tastes like Asian zing. Don't taste like H&M.
Yes.
Okay, y'all, and then we got this pack left. Y'all can open these up, right? No? Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. I do not want to put my mouth on there with my hands at this point. It's tied. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This a honey roasted barbecue. That was honey mustard. Not honey mustard. It's honey roasted barbecue.
Ew.
Yep, I know. Okay. All right. All right, man. Oh, this is the my titty sitting on the damn table. All right. That was my shirt.
I'm done.
Girls. Ooh, look at them hands. Them hands done too. Go ahead, wipe them hands off, cause we getting ready to fold it. But I want y'all to fold it from the back end. Wait a minute. Lord have mercy, girl. You gonna get this out? I'll fold it for you. You done already. That's why he said get them to double bag it, and I forgot to ask for that. I got them to do everything else except double bag these. Or get an extra bag. Here, I'll fold it for you. Y'all know this is gonna get messy, but it's okay. Here you go. Now we roll this thing on up. He said roll up that loud pack. We rolling it up. Roll it up. Oh, it's okay. They know what it look like. A lot of sauce in the bag. Y'all ready to shake them?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all ready? Yeah. Ooh, I can feel that sauce. Y'all ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Hot mess chicken sandwich. We got a 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 hot mess chicken sandwich. Hey, hot mess chicken sandwich. Hey, we got a hot mess chicken sandwich. Hey, hot mess chicken sandwich.
Hot mess chicken sandwich.
Hey,
Hot
mess chicken sandwich. Hey, all right. Oh my God, man's dripping out. My hot mess is dripping out. My hot mess got on my shirt.
Mine is coming too.
All right.
Yep.
We a hot mess.
It busted.
It's okay.
So open.
That's what we got washers for.
I think I already see it.
You already see it?
It's a stain.
Yep. Let's open it. Let me close this on up.
Good. Look at that. Ooh. Let me see yours.
They all gonna look the same.
Look.
Okay, y'all ready? So just start like and just like you could grab it or just like push it up from the bottom. I'm gonna push mine on up.
Me too.
Ooh.
Dripping.
It's so much sauce. Like I don't want the rest of the sauce to go to waste. And then I got another 4 of all of the sauces. Go ahead. Lay it on there. Lay it on there. Something proper, girl. There you go. Grab your bun, girl. Grab your bun. Ooh. Chanel, you need help?
No.
She wants her mom to help. Mom. Woo! Look at that thing. You gonna put your other bun on there? Ooh. How you get a pick on the bottom of the bun, girl? Look at that. Okay. Oh, now the pickle fell off. Okay, how your pickle back again? Wow. Okay, let's move these over here, cause. All right, y'all. Last but not least.
Oh no, my cherry.
It's okay. Get it out of there. You could eat it for all I care. Ooh, this thing is dripping. It's like liquid gold, y'all. Oh, it's like liquid gold on a bun. Whew, y'all, I'm extra. AF. I want a little bit more on here. I just want a little bit more, y'all. I want a hot mess chicken sandwich. Whew. Hot mess, girl.
Where's my feet?
Ooh. Yes, this is gonna be good. Okay. Let's hold them all up to the camera, y'all, so you can see what we did get. What Daym came up with. No, you gotta just hold up one hand like this. So you can see all 4 or 3 of ours. I'm about 4. Woo! Look, lower them a little bit so I can see our faces. Okay. Ooh, all right. Let's get into it. Let's see what the hype is all about. I've been waiting. Okay, come on, cause they gonna drip. The Chanel is yours. Look at yours. Yep. Let me start from this way. Oh, this is good. This is so good.
Oh. It's dripping.
This is how I like it.
This is good. This is the goodest part. It really is.
You got to just turn it down a little bit. Sorry, y'all. Child, don't worry about it. I ain't.
We ain't about to worry about that. We about to worry about this chicken burger.
Yeah. Oh, this is so good. Oh, it's just so good. Now I should have did what Daym did in the first place, because he put the napkins all up in there. Why didn't I do that? Why? I knew it was gonna happen. It happened to me every time. The girls want some too. All right. So I think I'm about to get into that other one, y'all. Y'all ain't come here to watch me eat no one. You know you gonna like it? You gonna like it?
I'm trying.
Girl. You like it, Nikki?
Yeah, busting. Busting.
Man, you was right. My eyes starting to water is good. He was right. Chick-fil-A need to definitely. I don't see how you can just eat one of these. Whew. Man, it's wet from the pickle. Sweat from the pickle. Don't you judge. I'm dipping mine. I'm going back in. I'm going back in for a second one. I'm going back in. I'm going back in. Yes, I am. It's going to be easy this time and not shake to death. I'm going back in.
You got a hot mess chicken sandwich.
I got a hot mess chicken sandwich. I got a hot mess chicken sandwich.
You got hot
mess chicken sandwich. I got a hot mess chicken sandwich. Hey, hot mess chicken sandwich.
Hot mess chicken sandwich.
Hey. All right. Let's see here. Woo, China. Instant replay. Oh, wait. Hold on. This one got a big butt.
Money, rain.
This one got a big butt. It slid out my hand. Ooh.
It's falling.
Dare I do it again?
Daddy might not like it.
My sauce ain't go to waste, clearly.
Ours did. You could put some more. Ours on it. Will's melting. Ours trying to not go to waste.
Whew. Sometimes, excuse me, you can have too much of a good thing. Did I even try to lemonade? Because I never had Chick-fil-A, so clearly I've never had the lemonade.
Oh.
I thought Sherry ate your cherry.
I didn't eat it because it's from sinking.
Let's try this lemonade, y'all.
This cherry was
My
good.
cherry sunk all the way.
Oh!
I was not big right here.
Oh, I like it.
The cherry.
I like it a lot.
The cherry good.
Definitely chase some tequila with that. For sure. This is so good. Round 2. Ding, ding, ding. And this video is not going to be edited.
Why?
Because you got to show everything. I don't edit challenges. I was gonna say this for him. I don't know what I'm saying. For sure. For sure.
Y'all go try this.
Definitely try this, y'all. My ass is watering.
It's good.
The sun's trying to rain on our parade. It's supposed to be raining all day.
It played us. The sun played us and the rain.
We was looking forward to it raining because then to give like a darker cast in the back, so everything just pretty much like all the food and everything stand out. But when I got the lights right here in the front of me and the lights in the back of me, it kind of like cancel each other out and it don't look so as good as it do at night. So a lot of my videos are filmed at night. It's a much better look. Woo! Y'all, I know a lot of y'all already know who Daym Droppy is, but for those that don't know, he got a Netflix series. He got a series on Netflix called.
We just said it.
I know we did.
Chicken salad.
No, I don't. Not much chicken sandwich. Fresh, fried, and crispy. That's it. Fresh, fried, and crispy, y'all. I done watched that whole. I watched that whole season like twice. Like I watched it by myself, and then I watched it showing somebody else, and then watched it again with my girls.
Today.
I had to show them because they wasn't aware.
Yeah.
And so they was just so impressed when they seen him like on a YouTube video and then seen him on Netflix. They was like, what? I was like, how did he get on here?
The sandwich.
It's the best hot mess chicken sandwich, y'all. I would have got saved the first time if I would have already did this. Okay. So, that's a chicken sandwich review. So, 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. Go ahead and show your food. On the way to such a big bite, girl. So, 1 out of 5. 1 being the worst. 5 being the best, of course. I will give this chicken sandwich, y'all, honestly, with that sauce. I'm amazed that all those flavors and all those different sauces came together as one like that. I mean, they really came together and showed out. And they really do need to go ahead and put all them sauces together. And definitely make sure Daym get in on the profit, because he definitely started something with this one. But anyway, 1 out of 5 though. I will give this a 5. A 5 all day long. I would definitely give this a 5. Chanel, what would you give it?
I give it.
Look, tell them.
I give it a 10.
Oh, you'll give it a 10? Oh, girl, that's a 5 plus 5. Like, oh yeah, you said it was busting, so it was a busting. Okay. And Danielle, what would you give it?
20, because it was real good. No,
It was.
I give that
90, because that is good.
All right, y'all. Well, y'all heard it here.
I give it a 111.
Okay, yeah, we get it. We got it, y'all. We got it. But y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to this amazing tasty challenge. If you like what you seen here today, don't forget what?
To like and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Share it.
And
Yep.
hit
Pops,
that
how y'all do?
big, and hit that big notification bell. And hit that big thumbs up.
Pops, how y'all do?
Really?
There was some message for her papa, y'all. Like, you could have said that at the very end. Okay. So anyway, thank y'all so much. Definitely don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, join the family, share us out. And yeah, don't forget to stop by and check out Daym Drops, DaymDrops. All right, y'all. We will see y'all later.
And we will see y'all in the next
video.
We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Peace out.